Welcome back, traders. Ali Casey here from StrategyQuant channel. Thank you for joining me. Today's video is about a simple strategy combined in a portfolio to make a really good portfolio that makes you money. So the portfolio is going to look something like this. So obviously it looks very good, very nice. We're making new highs almost every year. Really, this is based on very simple logic. You will laugh. Actually, this came about because on Saturday, I hosted a question and answer session on the Discord channel. Some traders in the channel, they chimed in and they were asking about strategies. And I was trying to drive a point that, simple really works. That's not saying that complicated strategies doesn't work, but simple strategies do work. And, if you're not a programmer, you don't need to do like more complicated strategies. Really simple strategies work. And I've proven this in a momentum system. And today I'm going to prove it in a pivot system. For all the traders in the Discord channel, I think that you will find this very useful. And also, I would like to take this chance to thank everybody who contributed to the channel through Patreon and who joined the Discord server through Patreon. Thank you very much for that. So this portfolio is combined of 3 strategies only, and of course you can add to it many more. It's built on currencies, and all the code for the strategies will be in my Discord channel, although it's really easy to build. You can just follow along. But if you want to, save time and you can download the strategies over there. So let's jump in. The strategy is very simple. You know this pattern. This is a pivot up and a pivot down, or you can call it the opposite. Basically, the low here is lower than the bar, the previous bar, and is lower than the current bar. So it creates this pivot, which is the smiley face, and then the opposite of the pivot down, where the high is higher than the previous bar and the current bar, which creates a frowning face, if you want to remember it that way. But basically, it's a simple pattern. We don't care about these guys, the close, the open, the highs here. And we don't care about the close, the open, and the lows here. So on the pivot upside, we only care about the lows. And when the pivot down, we only care about the highs. So this is really easy to program in any, you can even do it in Excel. But we will do this in SQX. And let's do this. So first of all, to build the long entry signal. So it's the daily low of the previous bar, lower than the daily low, of 2 bars ago. And then we can copy this and paste it, and then lower than the current low. So this is the low of 1 bar ago, and this corresponds to this one. So we want to make sure that this low is lower than this 2 bars ago and lower than this current bar. So that achieves that. There is also one more thing in, I'm going to do this on currency. So I want to explain to you one more thing. So in currency, let me bring this over. Imagine this is a, whatever the time, 60 minutes, 4 hours, doesn't matter. But the currencies, because they trade 24 hours, they close on 5 p.m. Eastern time, Eastern Standard Time. That's New York time. So the bars, when you use TradeStation or MultiCharts, all platforms that use the close of the bar as the timing signature, timing stamp, then they will calculate the last time at the bar. That means, so assume this is Sunday, and this is midnight, and then this is Monday. So when you go to daily bars, Monday bar will have from midnight to 5 p.m. from Monday session, and from 5 p.m. to midnight from Sunday session. So it goes over when you use Eastern Standard Time. Of course, this will change if you change your time zone. But since I am in Eastern Standard Time, I will use this one. And I need to clarify this just in case you want to build it and it doesn't look like my result. So this will leave also a small nuance, which is Sunday, there are bars and you should get rid of it. So this should be only 5 days. And if you let it on its own, then it will trade Sunday, because Sunday there will be some information which is Saturday to Sunday, but in fact Sunday only has Sunday information, because Saturday there is no trading. So all bars will be okay except Sunday, which is from 5 to 12, and we just need to not trade on that. So there are many ways to delete that. I mean, not delete the data, but we just have to make sure that we don't trade that data. Okay, now that we know what that is, let's do this in SQX, which is really easy. I'm just going to tell it not to trade that day. So if I go to bar and time and I say bar day of the week is not Sunday, okay? And let's test it and see what happens. There is nothing. It's just we're going along. I think this is, enter at market. And then the settings, let me set the engine, trade station. And let's use this one. And I always trade 2008. And also trade management is one lot. So this strategy now, which is looking for a pivot, we're looking for this pivot to go long. And then once we go long, we will exit end of the bar. So we can achieve that in SQX, in trading options, and exit at end of bar. If you put this as 0, it will know that it will exit at end of the bar. There is no need to put a time. So then we need to make sure that we're using daily bars. So we're using daily bars, we're exiting end of day, and we're using one lot to trade, and the data from 2008. And the logic is very simple. Just find a pivot and go long. So this is a quick one. Let's do full. So this is good, because that means if I flip this, it will make money, because it keeps going down. But let me make sure that we're not trading on Sunday, and we are trading on Sunday, but we're not trading on Monday. So you see, this is the number of trades. That means, because this logic is wrong. Why? Using TradeStation engine, like I said, it uses the close of the bar to execute. So the close of the bar, meaning, this is what I'm saying. I'm saying when the close of the bar is Sunday, don't trade. Which is what? Don't trade, that means next day. So then I have to go one day earlier. There is no trade on Saturday. That means I have to go on Friday. So I'm saying when it's Friday today, do not trade next bar, which is going to be Sunday. So let's confirm and let's run it. And it will not affect it, because few trades on Sunday, and that's it. Sunday is gone. We don't have trades. So good. Now we know that we're not trading on Sunday. Now, so this is nice. I mean, it's all losing money. That means I can flip this and make money. So let me flip it really easy by going short and switching this short to long. And this is good. So all of them are green, many trades, 3 losing years. And let's see the average trade, not bad, $49. Let me see if I throw in a simple ADX filter. So I always use 20 bars representing 1 month. And ADX hovers between 20 and 60. There's no sense to go beyond these. So let's go with 20. And let's see if we can enhance this significantly. So this is 42 and 119 drawdown. That's huge drawdown. And definitely we can enhance it. So this is really good. So now I can do the flip side, which is the long side now. And since I do the lower pivot, I need now to do the higher pivot. So the high of 1 bar ago needs to be higher than the current high and the high of 2 bars ago. So again, very simple system. That's the high 1 bar ago, higher than the 2 bars ago, and the high of 1 bar ago higher than the current high. Also, don't trade on Sunday, which is we have to do it 1 day earlier. Then I need to switch this off to test, and we do our trusted Boolean. So that's false, will not do anything. And now let's test the long side. Long side is horrible. And let's see what's happening. So Monday, many trades, 240 trades. It's a losing trade. That's a bias. There is a bias in this system, really easy. It's a big number of trades, and when losses is more, and I lose a lot of money. Also, Friday looks interesting. 136 trades, which is also a lot, and it's a little bit win-lose, not by much, but again lose. So let me get rid of these two. So Monday and Friday. So currently Monday and Friday, I don't need to trade on those days. Let's test. So let me see. Great. I'm not trading on these. So now this is the short side. Let me switch back. Oh, let me do the filter again. So let me see if this filter makes sense on this side. So currently we have 19,070% drawdown. Didn't do anything. So let me switch on the long side. And now it's good. So now I have this strategy. You can just do save and save to retester. And then it will put it in the retester, which I did already. So what I did is 3 strategies. One is, so this one we tested on Euro USD. And I did the same thing on USD JPY and British Pound USD. The only difference is, I'm going to show you. So remember this one, the pivot low. So I mean, this pivot, when we have lower lows, we used it for the short side. Okay, remember this. So now let me load the USD Japanese yen. And you can see now the lower lows, which is the up pivot, is in the long entry. So that's the difference in the retester. So this guy, same logic, but the signal is opposite. And British Pound is same signal. So British Pound, Euro USD, these guys use this pivot, the pivot up, to go short, and the USD Japanese yen use this pivot to go long. Nevertheless, these are the 3 strategies, and then you just click on all of them and say merge in portfolio, and this is the portfolio which I showed you in the beginning. The nice thing about this portfolio is, look at the correlation. So this is daily correlation, all green, weekly correlation, all green, monthly correlation, all green. It's all green because, you know, you're trading different days, different instruments. So the pivot's having at different time. And so this is an amazing, actually, little portfolio, and very easy from simple logic. Now, there is no stop loss in this portfolio, and hence you see the big drawdown here in the beginning. And the reason is not me. I tried to do it. But as you can see from previously, like where I'm facing some issues, I think the memory is corrupted or Java is corrupted or something. But anyway, when I tried to set the stop loss, which is really easy, just a level, and we will exit on the daily low of the previous bar. But unfortunately, nothing is happening. In any case, without a stop loss, the portfolio looks wonderful. Obviously, you can enhance this portfolio by adding more instruments to it and then finding a catastrophic stop loss because the portfolio will take care of the drawdown on its own. You just need to have a catastrophic stop loss so you avoid risk of ruin. So as usual, I hope this video was useful to you. As always, please do like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so Google Algos can push this video to other traders. And sharing the video with others really helps the channel a lot, and I would really appreciate it. Don't forget, if you want to use SQX, there is a link below for a discount, $200 off their public price. And also, don't forget, you can join the Discord also on the link below. So until the next video, good luck with your trading, good luck with your investing, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.